Hello guys, this Jimny, Suzuki Jimny 2024 complete. Need to make upgrade 2025 Brabus version complete. As you can see, complete interior and exterior. So when I start work, let me show you after. This Suzuki Jimny right-hand drive, complete fully new car, 2024 model. Interior and exterior complete. As you can see, fully finished car. North gray and black color. Need to make Brabus complete exterior and interior. Welcome to Cardction Car Accessories. Steven, just open that door. Boot. This side, yeah. No, this one. 0 kilometer car.